Sayyidina Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu ta'ala stated that the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that a salah with Jamaat is 27 times superior to the salah offered alone. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Whoever offers Isha Salat in the masjid with Jamaat for 40 nights in such a manner that his first rakat is not missed, Allah Azza wa Jal writes for him the freedom from the hellfire. My dear Islamic brothers, when this is the excellence of offering Salah with first takbir for 40 days, the Isha Salat, you were written free from the hellfire. Think to yourself, what is the reward for performing 5 daily prayers in the first saf, with Jamaat, listening to the first takbir? What is the reward of that? Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. You know, again, do we think that, look, this is an opportunity to gain more deeds. This is an opportunity to gain the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal. This is an opportunity to move closer to Allah Azza wa Jal. Or do you think, nah, leave it? We need to think to ourselves, what is right and what is wrong? And I think the answer is clear. The answer is clear. The problem is our nafs. The problem is our nafs doesn't want to go towards the masjid. Our nafs doesn't want to go towards good deeds. Our nafs wants to go towards committing sins. Allahu Akbar. We're stated that the Prophet of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever goes to the masjid in the morning and in the evening, Allah Azza wa Jal will prepare a feast for him as many times for him in paradise as many times as he goes to masjid. Every time you go to the masjid, every time that you go to the masjid, Allah Azza wa Jal prepares a feast for you in paradise. Now, if a feast for you is prepared for you in paradise, then for you to get the benefits of that feast, you have to be in paradise. So insha'Allah, if you go to the masjid, then insha'Allah, you will be in paradise. In this particular Madani Namat that we mentioned, we've also been persuaded to offer salah in the first row. It is stated in a blessed hadith that if people were to know what the reward is there in calling out the azan and offering the salah in the first row, and they did not get these privileges without drawing lots, then they would have definitely drawn lots. Meaning that if the people are there and there's so many people in the first row, saf, they would draw lots. No, let me take the first saf, let me take the first saf. But what do? We hear the azan, we hear the iqamat. Right, ready, okay. And we go and join it. Just before they're going into ruku. And that way we've missed the first rakat, but we've attained the first rakat, haven't we? So that's what we do. Think to yourself, is that what we should be doing? Again, the answer is clear. I don't have to tell you what you should or what you should not be doing. You know.